Hello, in this video, I will show you how to hide pending and rejected commissions in the affiliate panel in Affiliate Press. This setting is available at the end of the commission settings page in Affiliate Press. This option means that when enabled, pending and rejected commissions will be hidden from the affiliate panel, and only approved and paid commissions will be visible. Before enabling this option, let's check it once. I have already logged in as an affiliate user, so now open the affiliate panel. This is the affiliate panel. Now open the commission tab. Here you can see all commission records, including all statuses. Now go to the Affiliate Press settings page and enable this option. After that, save the changes and go back to the front end. Now reload the affiliate panel. Again, open the commission tab. As you can see, only approved commissions are shown now, while others are hidden.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.